Today we have sauce number 4 from the 5 mother sauces, Velouté.
I'm Kevin Funk. Join me as I share my love of all things food and the passion for the outdoors.
On today's episode, Velouté, one of the 5 mother sauces.
So you only need 3 ingredients for this one: chicken broth, flour, and clarified butter. To begin, we are going to bring 3.5 cups worth of chicken broth. So we're going to turn our power right to the max. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of clarified butter and a 1/4 cup of flour, and we're going to simply make a roux. That is our thickening agent for this sauce. Alright, so our chicken stock is it's good to go. So we're going to remove this from heat now. Put your pan to roughly medium to medium high heat. So we got the clarified butter here. You're going to add this to your pan. It's a 1/4 cup. Now you're going to take a 1/4 cup of flour. And you're going to add this to your butter and you're going to make a paste. So this is going to be a white paste. Be careful not to let this burn. The chunks forming there. Now once you get these like mildly yellow chunks, let it cook a little bit more without burning it. You don't want them turning brown, but if you cook them a little bit more, it starts to get rid of that flour flavoring. But now we're good to go. Now we're gonna add our chicken broth to that. So we're gonna take our stock and we're gonna pour it in here, whisking all the while. You're gonna whisk pretty hard. Actually, you wanna get rid of these chunks and incorporate it right into the liquid. And we'll be good to go. This sauce is great on poultry dishes. You can use it in soups as well. But you can also get creative and branch this thing out in any direction you want. But that's it. Now you just let it sit there for a bit, simmer down, and you're good to go. This is sauce number 4 out of our list of 5 mother sauces. Velouté. Pardon my pronunciation, but there's the finished product.
Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit that subscribe button.